Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get rubber in Astroneer. This is especially useful for crafting more advanced things like the Medium Rover and Large Rover. So to begin, we'll first of all need to have the chemistry lab unlocked and crafted. You can research this inside of the research tab by going to the medium tab and in the first row scrolling down to the fourth position, and here you can research it and see what materials you'll need to craft it. Here inside of the chemistry lab, you want to open it up, and in the first tab here you'll see that this recipe is rubber. You'll need some organic and resin to craft it, and organic can be found on every planet using the mining tool and going around some plant materials, or using the tapper, which is crafted from aluminum, and toggling it on some plantable plants. So the next ingredient is resin. Resin can also be found on every planet on the surface, and it is going to look like these kind of corals, these tubes. And to craft the rubber, just place these two materials inside of the chemistry lab, just like this, and go ahead and craft the rubber using this green button. This is going to take a while, craft, and once it's done crafting, you can just pick out your rubber and use it in crafting. So this is pretty much all how to get rubber in Astroneer. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.